Most NYU Steinhardt graduate programs require a written statement of purpose as part of your application. This statement gives you an opportunity to introduce yourself to the admissions committee, explain why you want to pursue the degree program, and discuss your career goals. It is reviewed alongside the other components of your application. Some programs have specific guidelines for the statement of purpose. Those can be found in our application guide at steinhardt.nyu.edu/guide. For those that don't, here are some tips for writing a good statement. Before you begin, make sure you have a good grasp of the program you're applying to, including its courses and learning objectives. Take your time thinking about what you want to communicate, like you would for a class paper. Don't be afraid to compose multiple drafts to get it right. Aim to strike a somewhat formal tone, but also help the admissions committee get to know the person behind the transcripts and letters of recommendation. Talk about what led you to want to pursue graduate-level study, why you are interested in the program, and why you specifically want to attend NYU Steinhardt. Discuss how you think you are a good fit for the program and how it relates to your future career plans. Don't forget to mention your related academic, professional, and personal experiences. A statement of purpose should be dynamic and interesting. The goal is to stand out within the pool of applicants. Highlight the experiences and attributes that make you uniquely you and how they make you a great candidate. Keep the length to between 2 and 3 double-spaced type pages, or about 500 to 750 words. Finally, proofread your work carefully. No typos, please, and solicit feedback from a trusted colleague or mentor for maximum impact. Don't wait until the last minute. Get started early to leave yourself enough time to craft a strong statement. Good luck writing your statement of purpose. If you have additional questions, contact the Office of Graduate Admissions at 212-998-5030 or steinhardt.gradadmissions@nyu.edu.